Hi everyone, this is Sheikh, and from past one video I am working on developing a college management system using PHP Codeigniter. In my last video I gave you a complete tour of my application that I'm going to develop in this complete tutorial series, and in this video I will discuss how to download Codeigniter framework. Okay, so first let us start our discussion with downloading Codeigniter framework. Okay, so for downloading Codeigniter framework, then you need to go to your browser and then go to google.com and then type Codeigniter download, and then you will find a very first link in these results called download Codeigniter. Click on this. Okay, when you click on that, you will get this kind of page. Here you need to click on download Codeigniter-3. Okay, so here we are using Codeigniter-3 for developing our college management system application. Okay, so once you click on this, it will download Codeigniter project here. Okay, so it will download a zip file. Okay, now right click on it and then click on extract. Okay, then you will get this Codeigniter project. Okay, so now just right click on it and then click on rename to give it a name. Okay, so I will give it as college management system. Okay, college MS, and now I will just cut it out and then I will come to my htdocs folder inside my XAMPP, okay, which is present inside C. I have installed XAMPP inside my C drive. Okay, and I will click on XAMPP and then htdocs and then I will paste it here. Okay, college MS. Okay, so now I have downloaded and I have pasted, or I have moved the project inside my htdocs, and now I can access this folder by going to my browser, and I will open a new tab and then I will type 127.0.0.1/college MS. Okay, now when you see this kind of page, that means okay, so far you have done everything right. Okay, so it has given me a welcome to Codeigniter message. Okay, so now this is our welcome view. Okay, now let us open our Codeigniter college MS project inside our editor. So for that I will go to my editor, and from here I will go to file and then I will click on open folder, and then I will come to htdocs folder, and from here I will select the project that I have created just few minutes back. So I will just click on select folder. So now you can see our project gets open in another window. So I will just close the previous window. Okay, now it has these many, our Codeigniter-3 project has these many folders, and the very important folder is application folder. Inside this application folder we have all our other folders like controller, model and views. These three folders are very important folders. Okay, so as we already know that Codeigniter is an MVC framework, which stands for model view controller, where model is used to handle the database interaction. Whatever interaction we have to perform with the database, all those code we will write inside the model file. And view file will contain all the appearance things, all the pages that we are going to display to the user. All those stuff will be present inside views, and controller will contain the logic of our application. All the important stuff will be writing inside the controllers files. Okay, so inside the controllers we have a file called as welcome.php. okay, here this is our welcome.php file, which extends to CI controller. Okay, and it's loading welcome message view, which is present inside this view folder. Okay, so this is our welcome message file. Okay, so this is what you will be able to see whenever you run your project. Okay, so this is our view, welcome message view. Okay, now I will delete all these things. Okay, here select, okay, I will delete it. Okay, and then we'll change the title to college management system. Okay, and then let me delete this as well. I'll save it, and now when I refresh the page, then you will see only welcome to Codeigniter. All the CSS and additional tags gets deleted. Okay, now I will rename this to home. Okay, and now when I try to refresh the page, it display me an error was encountered because it's not able to identify welcome message.php because I have renamed it. So for here I need to change it to home. Okay, so now let me just refresh. Okay, so now I'm again getting the same message, welcome to Codeigniter. Okay, the controllers contains a welcome.php controller. Okay, and if we go to config folder, it contains some set of files like config file which contains the configuration details, and then database.php file which contains the database configuration details, and another one is routes. Okay, inside this routes files we have a default controller is set to welcome. Okay, so here it's saying the default controller is set to welcome controller. Okay, so whenever we load our project, the controller that gets loaded is the welcome controller, which is the default controller. Okay, now let me just close this. Okay, now let me just come here and close this. Okay, and now we have done our installation process. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. Okay, if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.